Hey, what's up? Adrian here and welcome to the Unboxed. So today we have a new pair of headphones from QCY and that's the model T18. And let's start unboxing, testing and reviewing and everything on this. So I don't think this unboxing will be very different from the other one. You can see the box looks quite similar, but nonetheless, let's unbox it. Oh, we have some new things in here. That's on the back. That's in the front. Okay, so that's what we have inside. That's new. First time used. Pick up both earbuds from a case, then push them back and close the lid. Okay, so we have this small manual, QCY T18. This thing, cable, extra pairs of things for your ears, and the case with the earbuds. Take the case out and the earbuds. You can see the shape is different from the other ones. Similar but different a bit. So we have the cable, which is most likely USB-C, like the other one. Exactly, love it. Although a bit short, but that's okay. And let's see the case. It looks to be similar to the other one, but maybe a bit more round. Oh, this one has the button on the side. It doesn't have the button on the back anymore. Then it says QCY here and no other branding, which is quite cool. Yeah, so this one is, I would say, about the same size, but on the sides it's not. It's like a bit more oval, I would say. Okay, let's take these things from the earbuds as well. And we also have some other two things to take off. So these are the earbuds. They have a bit more square on them, with more corners, I would say. And you can see the branding here. So let's try them out. So this white, it does look a bit like the Apple earbuds case, but you can see it is quite different from it. There's like a shiny gloss on top. Might get some dust sometimes, and when wiping it might scratch. There is like a matte finish on the sides. I do like this nice touch with the QCY button on the side, so we don't have any more branding on top. I noticed that when you try to put them in, if you try the other way, it's really hard to do it. But even if you put them the right way, because it's not round and it doesn't go anyway, it's like a bit like squarish. You need to put it exactly how it goes, otherwise it doesn't go in. But it's not hard, it's easy anyway. So let's connect them and see how they sound. Well, first impressions on the ear, they're very comfortable like the other ones. Now let's connect them. QCY T18. Yeah, so apparently we have an app with this one and we'll try the app as well. Let's listen to some music on them right now. I would dare to say that the bass on this one is even better than the other one, but I will do a comparison with these two, this one and the other QCY that I have, but so far it feels like it sounds better. So with these earbuds we can also connect them with the app, and we have some features there. And I saw in the manual that we have touch panels right on top here, and what we can do with these touch panels, we can answer the calls, skip tracks left and right, and we also have a voice assistant with that, and we can play back, or we have a gaming mode. Interesting. Okay, let's go on the app. So we can see battery level, we have default as sound effect, and we can choose pop, bass, rock. Let's try to listen with these sound effects and test them a bit. So on normal, I can already feel the deeper bass that they talk in the description about. Let's go on pop. Pretty similar, I would say, bass. These sound effects don't seem to feel different. And also when I go in the app, let's say I select bass. Now it's selected. If I don't close the app, I just leave the app in the background and then I come back. It just pops to the default for some reason, which is weird. This touch panel is a bit on the side there. Yeah, it's harder for you to just touch it by accident, but it's a bit harder for you to play and stop as well. I think it's around this area. It's not exactly clear where it is. It works better on the left side. It does say that it has in-ear detection, but when I take it off, it doesn't stop for some reason. And that's the music from the browser. Let's try some YouTube videos. It doesn't seem to work. I don't understand why. Let's try Audible. Apparently the in-ear detection is not working because it's still playing. That is a bit weird. I don't think I forgot to activate something. I can also see something interesting here. You can select what single, double and 3 clicks do on each of the earbuds. So for a single click it has no effect, but you can do play, pause, keep track, voice assistant, volume and game mode. You can look for them as well on the app. If you, let's say, lose them somewhere, you can just find headset, play a sound. The sound is not that loud, but hopefully if you have them under the couch, you can find them. Let's see what other settings we have. Earbuds information, that's about it. I'm not exactly sure what the gaming mode does, but it doesn't seem to change the sound. On the sound you can customize, so this default pop bass, these are like equalizer adjustments, and you can do your own equalizer adjustments, and I see that it actually affects the sound, which is interesting. Yes, now I can totally feel the difference. So if you play the music and then you change these things from here, from the sound, it will definitely work. And you can also customize your preset. Okay, now on the review side. So it does have a really nice case, which looks quite good, but it does get some dust sometimes, and it is really prone to scratches, this shiny side, but it does look cool though. I like this button on the side as well. I also like that the case is quite small as well, like the other one. It's a bit more like rounded, more oval than the other one. And going to the earbuds, now they don't have a round design here, it's more like square. So when you try to put them in, you can't do it any way around like the other one. It needs to go one way. All in all, it's a cool design, I would say. But as you can see, these touch panels, you can still like touch them accidentally and play music or stop music. One thing that I don't like is that it said there that it has in-ear detection, so it's supposedly when you put them in and take one off, it should pause, but it doesn't work, or I haven't found out how to make them work like that. The app is really interesting. You can use the equalizer and some presets there like bass and pop. It does have deeper bass, which I really like. Everything is more clear and nice overall. I will test them more and see how they perform on a longer run, because now I didn't have too much time to test them. Thank you for watching. There's a link in the description below if you're looking to get the QCY T18 earbuds. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of videos, and check out the QCY T18 review next.